True. Alright, let's see. Me first, we go. You go try it.
Hey, mommy, try.
Alright, so get it all over the water.
I don't know who eats salt from watermelon.
Japanese people.
Alright, don't bother try something precious still.
No, me not gonna do it with that. Alright, like that.
Alright.
Alright, let's try. You ready?
Yeah, go.
Let me go first.
You have a buzz, mom.
Me think you have a buzz?
Mm-hmm.
Me not think it have a buzz.
It's not bad.
Me not think it have no buzz.
It's not bad.
We just mess up my watermelon.
I can't always change.
Me not think it have a buzz. Me can wipe off this.
Yeah, literally take out all I see them.
No man, Shannon. This not. Alright, what else? We will try this again. And it's salt on the side here too.
You can sprinkle some more salt on mine.
You like it?
It's never bad.
I can't believe you like
It's
it.
never bad.
Me not do it again. Alright.
You ever eat salt on pineapple?
No.
Not bad.
Mess up. Watermelon to eat without salt.
It is nice.
You love it? Let me see where they go and do over there.
Not this bad.
She love it. Watch her with the salt.
It's actually really not bad. Just how my pressure go.
No, who eats salt with watermelon? I actually love it.
Me. Out of today.
Now try it again.
Good one. It's juicier.
Ew. One more seed.
Can you believe I just met this Jamaican girl today?
What's my name?
I don't know.
DJ Khaled. Say my name.
DJ Khaled.
Venetia.
Then.
And I think I mean, when we did younger, Ven. Watermelon date.
Where you watermelon date? Girl, I don't know you.
But people, no salt for your watermelon.
That's a lie. It was good.
It's like shit.
Don't say that.
Don't say that. Alright, this is my last one. But the watermelon is so good. I just wouldn't recommend it with salt.
She never want to talk to me this morning, people. I tell you, this girl walk past me on the road. I say, I don't know this girl walk past me this morning. She not even say hi. She see another blackie on the road. She not say hi. She just keep her head and walk straight.
Yeah, because that's what you do here in Japan, especially if you are just used to seeing a lot of black people. And I'm used to seeing black people, so I just like it's another day for me, you know. But I did walk past her. I'm sorry for that.
And I made your day today, didn't I?
With the watermelon?
Yes. Come on, watermelon date.
But no, yeah, today was a good day. You know, a good day for sure.
Yeah, it was indeed.
And the watermelon is just like an icing on the cake because it's summer and it's so hot. So,
The host.
just a bit.
You never yet just swallow in your life. I never swallow nothing in your life.
Maybe water and juice.
Nothing else. Just a pure
Food.
tak good girl, baby.
The worst camera woman or man